Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients who traveled from Texas. He's been suffering with back pain for about 4 years. We were just chatting about it. That back pain that you had, was it pretty bad?
Yes.
You still have it today?
No.
Gone.
Gone.
How is it gone?
I was able last night to go lay the first time in a long time that I've laid in the bed flat and been able to move and not ouch, ooh, ouch. Yeah, I was able to have a pretty good night's sleep.
What procedure did you have done to make your back pain go away?
I had the laser disc repair.
That's right, you had the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. So you're from Texas. There's a lot of good doctors in Texas. There's a lot of spine surgeons. Why did you choose to come to Florida to the Deuk Spine Institute instead of go to Texas and have something done there more invasive?
So, I saw your testimonials on YouTube, and I saw that it was very, very minimally invasive, and I was able to get back to work quick, and I didn't have a shut down too long.
That's right. And work is important. You want to get back to work. You want to get back to a normal life. How is life going to be different for you now that your back is fixed?
Before, I didn't feel like doing very much, but after I went out and worked just a little bit, I was down to the point where I was only working about 3 or 4 hours a day. And as soon as I got off of work, wife wanted to do some, I was looking for a chair, a place to sit down. Grandsons wanted to come over and play, and I just wanted to stay seated in the chair. I kind of avoided trying to take my dogs for a walk because it would always seem to irritate my back when one of my dogs was pulling on me.
Your story is so common for people that suffer with chronic back pain and neck pain because that pain gets flared up whenever they do anything, whether they're working or walking the dog or any kind of activity. So people become afraid to do things, and they end up kind of cutting off the things in life that they enjoy doing, like walking the dog or hiking, and they end up becoming a prisoner. But you're going to be able to go back to work. You're just going to have to be careful and not lift too much, but you should be able to get most everything you do normally done.
I'm looking forward to that.
Is there anything else you want to say to your friends over there in Texas?
Oh, if you need a good doctor, Dr. Deuk is the one. He did a miracle with my back.
Well, thank you, sir. Safe travels.
Yes.
All right.